Marine life in the sea and oceans is incredibly diverse, from the smallest plankton to the largest mammals. The ocean hosts an array of ecosystems, species, and biological processes that are vital to the health of the planet. Here's an in-depth look at life in the sea and oceans. Marine life refers to the variety of living organisms that inhabit the ocean, from microscopic plankton to the largest animals on Earth, such as whales. These organisms are crucial to the balance of marine ecosystems, and the health of the oceans impacts life on land as well. Phytoplankton. These are tiny plant-like organisms that drift near the ocean's surface and play a vital role in producing oxygen. Phytoplankton, like diatoms and cyanobacteria, are responsible for around 50% of the Earth's oxygen. They form the base of the marine food web. Zooplankton. These are tiny animal-like organisms that drift along with the currents and feed on phytoplankton or other zooplankton. Zooplankton includes species like krill, copepods, and jellyfish larvae. Small fish, species like anchovies, sardines, and herring swim in large schools and serve as the primary food source for many larger predators. Large fish. Some of the most well-known ocean fish include tuna, sharks, and rays. These fish vary greatly in size and behavior, but are crucial parts of the marine food chain. Sharks and rays. As apex predators, sharks help regulate the populations of other marine animals. They are highly adapted to ocean life with specialized senses and hunting skills. Rays, which are related to sharks, include species like stingrays and manta rays, known for their flat bodies and graceful movements. Deep sea fish. In deeper waters, fish like anglerfish and lanternfish adapt to the dark and extreme pressures of the ocean depths, often using bioluminescence to attract prey or mates. Whales. Whales are the largest creatures on Earth, with species like the blue whale growing over 100 feet long. They include both baleen whales, which filter feed on small organisms like krill, and toothed whales like orcas and sperm whales, which hunt larger animals. Dolphins. Known for their intelligence and social behavior, dolphins are highly active creatures. They live in pods and often communicate with each other using sounds. Dolphins use echolocation to locate food. Seals and sea lions. These marine mammals are well adapted to life in the water and on land. Seals and sea lions are often found in colder waters, while species like the California sea lion are more common in warmer climates. Sea otters, another marine mammal, live in kelp forests and are known for using tools to break open shellfish. Corals. Corals are small marine animals that live in colonies and build hard skeletons that form coral reefs. These reefs support a huge diversity of marine life and are some of the most productive ecosystems on the planet. Coral reefs are often referred to as the rainforests of the sea. Jellyfish. These gelatinous animals have existed for millions of years and are found in all ocean zones. Some species are venomous and use their stinging cells, nematocysts, to capture prey or defend themselves. Crustaceans. These include lobsters, crabs, shrimp, and barnacles. They have exoskeletons and are important for both marine ecosystems and human economies. They often serve as food for larger animals. Mollusks like clams, oysters, octopuses, and squid are soft-bodied animals, many of which have shells for protection. Octopuses and squid are known for their intelligence and unique abilities, such as changing color to camouflage. Kelp. Kelp forests are underwater ecosystems formed by large brown algae that grow in nutrient-rich waters. These forests provide shelter and food for many species, including sea otters, fish, and invertebrates. Algae. Microscopic algae are crucial in marine environments for oxygen production and supporting the base of the food web. Some algae, such as seaweed, also provide habitat for marine creatures. Marine birds. Seabirds. These birds are specially adapted for life at sea, with species like seagulls, pelicans, albatrosses, and puffins. They are often found on coastal waters, where they hunt for fish and other marine creatures. Many seabirds also migrate across vast distances, covering thousands of miles. Penguins. Penguins are flightless birds that live in the southern hemisphere especially in Antarctica. They are excellent swimmers, using their wings like flippers to propel through the water.